Hi guys, Mike here, your geek for today's video. Today, we will meet the newest member of the vivo T series, the new vivo T1x 4G. Currently, it is the most affordable entry-level gaming smartphone at 8,999 pesos with 90Hz refresh rate. Premium yet affordable gaming smartphone in the market today. Stay in there as we unveil this device kung talagang solid tayo dito. So guys, are you turbo ready? Let's go! Now guys, this is the new vivo T1x 4G. This was released last May 2022 at meron tayo dito ngayon na 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage na i-unbox natin today. Tara, unbox na natin. So this is the vivo T1x 4G. As usual, let's see what's in the box. We have here the unit itself. Ayan, so set aside muna natin siya. Ayan, the documentation. Jelly case. We also have here the Type-C USB cable. Power adapter, and SIM ejector pin. Ito yung T1x 4G na unit. This vivo T1x ay ang gravity black variant which uses a frosted curtain coating. Meron ding space blue variant that shows a reflected hue at the back. Minimalist yet elegant ang premium ang kanyang design. Ang malupit, this vivo T1x 4G houses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor with 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage. Pero meron pang isang variant na 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage. Talagang laban na laban pagdating sa gaming experience. Kaya naman, less lagging and more wins. Meron din tong 8MP front camera good for selfies at 50MP rear camera wide sensor. At 2MP sensor, one for depth and another one for macro. Kaya hindi lang pang gaming ang vivo T1x 4G. Meron din itong triple shot camera feature. With this, anyone can capture different scenes from any distance. On the right side is the volume rocker and the power button. Sa taas is yung SIM card tray. Sa baba naman, you still have the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port alongside with a single speaker and a microphone. Long-lasting battery na din kasi naka 5,000 mAh at 18 watts fast charging na din si vivo T1x 4G. Kung nabitin kayo sa aking unboxing video at gusto nyo maging turbo ready, watch out for my in-depth review of this vivo T1x 4G in my next video.